Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Motorola Moto E6 Play, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next, tap on search pool and type Magic Fluids. We have to get this application from Mad Scientist. Let's open. Click right here. Tap on the settings. Accept, and here we are able to change the effect of our wallpaper. So this one is my favorite. And of course we can go right here for the animated, and we can change the resolution of this wallpaper. We are going to lower it a little bit to let it work smoothly. Okay, let's go for medium, and after that we can go back and click here to set as a live wallpaper. And we have to customize it one more time, so click here, set it up, click OK, go back and tap as to set as live wallpaper. On the both we can apply, and when we go back, right now we can enjoy this wallpaper on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.